Finally, there is a way to connect Claude Code to TradingView charts. It can read indicators, your price levels, your data. It can even write Pine script, compile it, and fix errors automatically, all from your local terminal. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up from scratch, and this video is going to be split into 3 parts. Part 1, what do you need to install before we get started? Part 2, connecting Claude to TradingView step-by-step guide. And part 3, I will show you what this can actually do once it's connected. Plus, at the end, I have a special bonus for everyone who's looking for best AI automation in trading. So before we launch anything, you need 4 things installed on your computer. Number 1 is node.js. So go to nodejs.org and download the latest version. This is what runs the connection between Claude and TradingView. Number 2, go to git scm. You can find all the links in the description, by the way, and download it. This will be used to actually download the code from GitHub. And number 3 is going to be TradingView desktop app, not the website. You actually have to download a desktop app for this to work. Again, really simple download. And number 4, Claude Code. If you don't have Claude Code set up yet, I have a full dedicated video about how to connect it on Windows, and also it works almost same on Mac. You can find the link in the description. Once you have everything ready, now it's time to connect Claude Code to your TradingView account. So to do that, let's open Search, open PowerShell, or open Terminal. And now I'm going to be pasting some of the commands. And you can find all the same commands in the description, so you can actually copy paste them same as me. So let's start with this command. Click Enter. After that, cd command, click Enter. And after that, the repository from the GitHub we're using, click Enter. It's clearing and you can see stuff is happening. By the way, it's really new. That's why you could get some errors. If you do, you can always join our Signal terminal. Link in description is our private group. We opened this channel where you can actually drop screenshot or images of your mistakes or errors. And we will be helping each one of you to actually set up Claude and all the different automation tools. So again, link in description if you're having issues. But so far, we're doing pretty good. So we have to copy and paste this. Let's paste in cd TradingView and npm install. You can see it found 0 vulnerabilities. Really hard word for me to say. I had to record this few times. Next up, paste in next command. Click Enter. So far, everything is good. If you get red windows, again, you can paste into Discord. I'm going to try to fix it because this method is 1 day old, so it's really hard to find answers for some mistakes. It took me quite a while for the first time because we had some issues. Paste in next command. And this will open our TradingView window. By the way, this is one of the scripts I was running, so let's remove it. So right now we have Bitcoin USD dollar chart. We have some of the indicators. And now I'm going to show you a few use cases, how to use AI to analyze charts and also make smarter decisions or even create their personalized indicators. So let's go back to terminal. Let's open new tab and let's run Claude. This should open Claude, and now we can ask any questions about what it sees on TradingView. So let's start with something simple. What is on my chart right now? If you're using for the first time, you have to agree with some things because it's asking for permissions to actually check at your windows and also do actions. So all of them are green, which is a good sign. If you're getting red ones, again, you can ask me. So let's see, Coinbase, Bitcoin US dollar, the price is $66,800. Again, Bitcoin US dollar, Coinbase. The price, yeah, it's correct, it's moving. So you can see our bot is working. Now we can ask something more advanced. I have some commands, so let's paste it in. So give me a full technical analysis of Bitcoin based on what you can see right now on chart. So let's click Enter. And now we're letting Claude cook. We have to agree again. We're getting lots of greens. This is a good sign. It's working. It's cooking, as the Gen Z people are saying. Let's see what kind of answer we're going to be getting. Again, this is really a great tool if you're a beginner because it analyzes the charts, but also if you're a professional, it gives you second opinion. For example, you want to go big on some position, you can actually ask AI for its opinion, to actually read the chart, to check out indicators, and again, double check your information. So we have our answer. So let's scroll up. Okay, so we have the trend structure, moving averages, because actually AI can see what kind of indicators we have open. So basically it reads the indicators and gives you information. If you change the indicators, you will also get different information. Again, this way it's really personalized to your trading and your strategy. And if you scroll down, you can see key levels. You have overall assessments. So the trend is bearish. I agree. Bitcoin is right now bearish. Volume bearish. Momentum is bearish. So everything is bearish except support proximity, which is neutral. And these are only a few ideas how to use this tool because, again, it's completely new. It was just launched yesterday, but you can analyze charts. You can get second opinions. You can create your personalized indicators. But if you don't care about the setup and all you need is quality AI trading signals, we launched a platform for you. It's called Signal Terminal, where we actually aggregate all the different signals from the most expensive paid groups from professional traders, put it into our advanced trading system, and gives you the best possible signals in the market. You can find the link in the description. And because we just launched it, we're doing founders discount, which is 20% for the next 50 people who join. You can use this code at checkout, and of course, see you there.